Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a class organizational structure using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up Canva application or you can visit canva.com and then you're going to search for a class organizational structure. I'm going to search for it right here. I'm just going to type in class organizational structure. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates that we can use, and I'm just going to choose one of them. You can choose the template which is suitable for your class. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one, the brown minimalist organizational structural poster, and I'm going to customize this template. Okay, and then we can replace the photos in the template with our own photos, and I'm going to change it class 9B for example. Okay, and then I'm going to replace it with class leader, and then I'm going to replace the name as well, and I'm going to replace it with secretary. I'm going to put on random name, and then for the treasurer. Okay, and it's time to replace the photo. I'm going to go to the uploads menu. It's here, and wait, let me replace it with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to delete the photo, and I'm going to upload this one. And for this photo, okay, like this. Okay, done. And then you can adjust it according to your needs, and then you can change the color. For the background, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you get what you want. And if you want to save it, you can go to the share here, and then you can click on download, and then you can choose the file type, and I'm going to choose PNG and click on download. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create class organizational structure using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.